What are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving.
Woo! Jumping out of airplanes, huh? Whose idea was this? It's this guy's fault. Are we celebrating anything?
No.
No, just checking this off the list.
Bucket list, yeah.
All right, we're gonna have some fun today.
Let's go.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
Mom, Dad, I love you.
Get it over with.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five all the way across.
Go.
Guys. Here we go. Woo! All right. Ah! Woo!
I'm ready.
Let's get in this thing. Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. High five. All the way back. Woo!
You got a good grip, right? Yeah. Go ahead, arms up, you're flying. Woo!
Go.
Good turn there. Yeah. Nice. Looking good, looking good. Woo! And up. Woo! How you doing?
Good.
All right, man, you did it. You just went skydiving.
Go!
How you doing?
Amazing, man. It's fucking good experience.
Yeah, something's in the dirt,
Go.
man.
Yeah, for sure.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Dude, you killed it. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. High five. Woo!